Hey, my friend DK here. As you look at myEcon in 2025, there are three things that you need to be prepared for and aware of as we turn the corner into the new year. At the time of this video, it is January of 2025, and myEcon is off to an absolutely incredible start. We just came out of an incredible holiday promotion where we added thousands and thousands and thousands of members to myEcon. Now, at the time of this video, myEcon has just shy of 90,000 active members. And what's really important is I'm going to cover three things with you in this video that as we turn the corner and we look at really the differences going forward with myEcon in 2025 compared to 2024, where they were, three things that are different here in this new year. And really, the last one is going to be an absolute game changer. So make sure you watch this video all the way through. Make sure you have all of the information. If you're looking to make an informed decision, is myEcon the best business for you? Are you in the right place at the right time? And I can assure you, if you're watching this video, yes, my friend, you are. I also have links in the description down below. I have a lot more information, which I'll kind of share with you here in a minute and talk about some of those things. Now, first and foremost, what's different right now? So right at the start of the year in January of 2025, what's different with myEcon compared to where they were in 2024? Well, obviously, they've added close to 10,000 new members with the holiday promotion, which is awesome. That's going to literally 10x in the next couple of months. I'm going to talk about that at the end of this video. Okay. So, one of the things that they recently just added is their new AMS, which is also kind of short for automated marketing system. So they just redid this. The old system was very antiquated, didn't really work all that well. You couldn't really customize it all that great. And there's one specific part of this automated marketing system that I really do like. And I'll talk about that and show you here in just a second. But with anything, if you want to market just, and this is what's really cool about this marketing system, you have the ability to market some of the individual products and services a la carte by themselves, if you wanted to, or you can just market the business itself, which is I always lead with the business versus the products and services. So as an example, if I wanted to get out there and I wanted to market the elite business membership, that's where you join for $99.95, and then it's $59 a month. So if I wanted to market that, what's cool is I'll open this up here for you so you can see it for yourself. Like with all myEcon products and services, there's intro videos on how to use them. They're pretty straightforward. Just make sure you watch that. So you're going to click in here to promote. Okay. And there's a lot of different options, but if we're just going to go with the most common one, which is obviously the business opportunity itself. So I'm going to open this up. I'm not going to dive through every single offer here. It's pretty self-explanatory once you get into it. But what I like here is you have the ability to customize certain things. Okay. Now, you can customize this picture. It comes with kind of a generic picture. If you want to upload your own picture in there, you literally just click upload pic and you can put that in there. You can also customize the form that people fill out. Now, we know online, especially with cold traffic, a lot of people don't like putting in their name, their email, their phone number, and that sort of things. So if you don't want the phone number in there, it doesn't have to be in there. If you just want the name in there and the email in there, that's cool. If you want to put last name, if you want to put more information in there, you can. You have those options. Okay. So pretty simple, pretty easy. You can also update the background here. If you want to put like a different type of wallpaper, a different color, whatever it is, you have the ability to do that. So you can customize your system a little bit. Now, here's what's really cool about the AMS, the automated marketing system, is myEcon has updated and is actively emailing all of the leads that you generate with this system. So meaning they're going to be doing the email marketing for you on your behalf. So if you're not an email marketing wizard, if you don't have an email autoresponder, if you don't want to pay for an email autoresponder, figure out how to integrate all those things, how to use those things. You don't have to worry about it because the automated marketing system, again, is going to do all of that email follow-up for you. Now, if you are not on my specific team, which is known as the funnel team here inside of myEcon, this would be a great fit for you. This would be a great solution to get out there and have some automation in your business, have some things that are already done for you. And I think I've seen a lot of other, page builders slash sales funnels in other network marketing opportunities. And, most of them kind of suck. I'll call it what it is. This one actually converts pretty good. I have some people that are testing this out. that have done 100% completely new TikTok channels just specifically for credit. And they're using the credit sales funnel here available in the automated marketing system with myEcon. And they're already getting sales utilizing this process. So we know that it works. Okay. We have the data and we have the documentation already. We know that it works. Okay. So again, this compared to some of the other things that I've seen out there, this does actually work, which is really, really cool. Okay. Now, if you are interested in getting on my team, link in the description down below. And you're going to have all of this and more with our exclusive funnel team marketing and training system. So we literally give you multiple sales funnels. Now, what do we know about the system? I have so many other videos on this. Link in the description down below. You'll see something that says if you want to view my full overview, click here or go here. You'll see that in the show notes down below, so go check that out, where I go over this entire system here, how it's used, what's available for you. This is literally $10,000 in free value just for activating your myEcon business. So you activate your myEcon business at any price. I don't care if it's $25, $45, or $100. Get yourself started. You're going to get instant access to our system. We give you multiple sales funnels. We teach you and show you how to use them, how to start promoting your business. Thousands and thousands of dollars in free courses and training. Literally everything you need to start promoting your myEcon business today. So that link is in the description down below. So now, that is one of the products and services that are available for 2025 that were not really available in 2024. They did have a system, but they recently upgraded it and they made it much better for 2025. Now, let's talk about one of the other things that you need to be aware of that is available now for 2025 that was not available in 2024. Okay, so check this out. If you're getting your taxes done, I would strongly suggest that you take advantage of the new ViroTax system inside of myEcon. Why is this important? What does this mean to you? Well, if you're a home-based business owner, if you're trying to make money online out there, use a trained professional that knows how to take advantage of home-based business, okay? People that know how to get you the most amount of tax write-offs, the most amount of deductions, all of those things. Now, we're really just getting started with this. They just rolled this out for 2025, and I think we're going to see a lot more feedback on this, a lot more testimonials on this as we get further into tax season here in 2025. Obviously, as we head towards March and April, and more people are getting their taxes done. I know me, for one, am going to be utilizing this system. I'm going to film the whole thing. I'm going to create a video on it, let you guys know, what the benefits were, what I saved, all that sort of stuff going through this process, okay? So that being said, ViroTax, this is exclusively with myEcon. Yes, myEcon can start doing your taxes for you. Also, this is now a brand new product for 2025 that you can market this on its own, meaning you can have a standalone funnel, which, yes, is in the automated marketing system, and you can market this product by itself. So this is built into the back end. All that stuff is integrated. You don't get to worry about it. But if you wanted to just simply share with whoever you want to on social media and you wanted to promote, helping people get their taxes done, you could do that. It doesn't have to be someone has to join the business just to utilize this feature. No, someone could literally just go utilize the service. You can still earn a commission. So again, 100% new, ready to go for 2025. Now, the very last thing that I want to talk about here, which is incredibly exciting, and I've done many other videos on this, okay, is the fact that in 2025, very soon, at the time of this video, it is January, okay? We have been told, I've been getting text messages literally weekly giving me updates as to where, the founders and everybody over at CEO at the headquarters is with global. Yes, myEcon is going global. So I want you to think about one thing, and we're saving the best for last year. If myEcon right now, January 2025, has about 90,000 active paying members, I want you to think about once global opens up, where this is going to go. Because for the past 20 years, myEcon has been operating right here in the United States, and that's it. Once this opens up to global, and I get questions comments, requests literally daily on my social media channels. Hey, when is this opening up in Australia, Canada, Mexico, New Zealand, Germany, UK, you name it? I get questions from people all over the globe that are 100% ready right now to jump into myEcon and crush this out because of the power of myEcon's compensation plan. It is absolutely incredible. And I have done so many videos comparing the myEcon compensation plan to other very similar comparable businesses. And it's no contest. There is no compensation plan that has a higher dollar per renewal per person than myEcon. I haven't found one yet. Okay. So once this goes global, those active members are going to go from 90,000 way up over 100,000. And I've already predicted that most likely in the next 12 to 24 months, myEcon will cross over 200,000 active members. I mean, you want to talk about timing for right now, the beginning of 2025. If you're not in myEcon, if you're watching this video and you're in the United States right now, click the link in the description down below and get started now. Don't even hesitate for a second. More and more and more people on a daily basis are headed over here to YouTube. They are looking up myEcon. The rumors are getting out there. myEcon is going global. More and more and more people are getting excited for this. You can look on my channel and my videos and see down in the comments, more and more people are commenting, when is this going global? I'm ready to get started. I'm ready to sign up. I'm in X country. How can I start building this now? Once this goes global, myEcon is going to skyrocket. Okay, you can mark my words. It's gonna happen. It's not an if. It's just when. Okay, it's just when. And we know that it is going to be very, very soon. So if you are outside of the United States and you're watching this video, please hit that link in the description down below. Get on my first movers list. You can see it right here on your screen. That is my email list for the global launch. Once we get the official date that global will be live, I will be emailing this list literally multiple times a day, letting you guys know, hey, get ready. And then once we do go global, once we actually launch, I'm going to be live right here on my channel every single day, and the floodgates will be opening up. I'll be taking brand new global members, plugging them into my global sales rotator, and I will be helping people live on video, literally get sales by plugging them into my sales rotator. This is how we're going to help as many people as humanly possible, and this thing is going to absolutely explode. So hit those links in the description down below. If you're in the US, get inside now. Get ready now. Be on the inside now before it explodes. Don't wait. If you're outside of the US, link in the description down below. Get on my email list and get ready, my friend, because it is coming, and it is coming very, very, very soon. So that is it. What you need to be ready for inside of 2025 with myEcon. This business is literally on the verge of explosion, my friend. You are in the right place at the right time and on the right team if you lock in with us, because we have everything that you need, well over $10,000 in free value to help you get out there and crush myEcon in 2025. Thank you for watching, my friend. If you have any questions for me, go ahead, send me a text message. See that number right at the top of this video. Also, if you're outside of the US, going to be using that text message is going to be a little tricky. So drop a comment down below and I will be happy to respond. Also, if you made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, ring that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content. You will be the first to know. Also, you definitely want to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon, because when I start going live, once we go global, you're going to want to get notified right when I go live. Also, you're going to see that on my email list as well, so you can be the first to know and you can get in before the masses, before this goes absolutely crazy. So appreciate you, my friend. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.